What's up guys, welcome to the channel. I have another video here for you guys. This is going to be a short one just to show you guys what we recently purchased. We pulled the trigger and we purchased a travel trailer. I'm going to show you right now what it looks like. It's behind me. It's a 2022 SUNRAY 129. So let me show you what it looks like. So it's a 2022 SUNRAY Sport 129. It's brand new. We're gonna use the Forerunner to pull this baby with. We bought this a week ago, 2 weeks ago. We haven't even used it yet. But the plan is to go camping. The plan is to go camping next weekend. The Forerunner is capable of towing up to 5,000 pounds. That thing weighs 1,900 or 2,000 pounds dry with nothing on it. Fully loaded with all the water in the tanks. Supposed to weigh another 3,200 pounds total. The Forerunner is sagging a little bit from the back. I'm gonna do something about that, but first I'm gonna try it out like this. I'm gonna test it out, see how bad it is. If it needs something done on the rear, then I'll do it right away. But yeah, this is just a small video about this SUNRAY. If you guys know anything about this, or any tips, any suggestions, any upgrades I should be doing to this thing, please let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm gonna be doing a full walk around inside and out once we come back from the first trip. The kitchen, this right here, this is the kitchen right here. I'm gonna show you everything everything that's equipped with. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I think this is the perfect match for the Forerunner. That's why we chose this one. Not too big, not too small. It's gonna be just my wife and I. My kids, they might be coming with us eventually. I don't think they're gonna be very thrilled about camping with mom and dad. So it's just for both of us, for the two of us, my wife and I. And that's it. We'll see what else we can do to make this better. If you guys know anything, let me know. Okay, I'm signing out for now. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know if I can do any modifications to this thing to make it better. All right guys, so there it is. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys on the next one. Later.